given these two functions here, we're going to just take these piece by piece and see if we can get all these kind of descriptors into them so we can come up with what the final equation would be of these functions. Let's try it. We have the quadratic function first. I'm just going to take it piece by piece. So that's f of x equals x squared. All right, we're going to reflect it over our y-axis. So remember, we want to put that on the inside. Since it doesn't really have an inside right now, let's throw that in parentheses. All right, and then we're going to say a negative x on the inside there. Equals, okay, the vertical stretch of 7. Vertical stretches are going to be on the outside. So it's going to be f of x equals 7, and then just right there on the rest, negative x squared. A horizontal stretches or compressions are on the inside. So this is now f of x equals 7. And then on the inside, we're going to put this 1/2 in. Since there's already a negative, it's actually going to be a negative 1/2 x. All right, and then the last thing is we're going to shift this left 9. Okay, this is where this one gets a little bit tricky. I'm going to rewrite it how I have so far. But remember that when we shift left or right, that goes on the inside. And because of that, we also need to put that inside another set of parentheses. Okay, so it's going to be x, and then since we're going left 9, we're going to say this is plus 9 in there. Okay, so don't get too tripped up with that, but it's just two sets of parentheses. The innermost, which tells us if it's left or right. And then the next set tells us that it's going to be flipped over our y-axis. It's going to be have a vertical or a horizontal stretch of 1/2, and then lastly the vertical stretch on the outside of 7.